Hey guys, I was in the middle of opening these new turtle pellets until I heard this strange noise, and I don't know what it is. It could be a hawk or something like that, but I've never heard anything like it, especially at night. So sorry for taking 30 minutes to open the bag, it was really tough. But anyways, watch till the end. I made it louder so you guys could hear it better, but after this I dipped because it freaked me out. Also, for some reason it turned out way quieter on the phone audio rather than in real life, because it was actually quite loud. Huh.